This video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of a dental lead generation funnel that we did for our client. So make sure that you grab your seat and watch the complete video, because if you are a funnel builder, if you're an agency owner, or if you're a lead generation agency who's trying to understand as to how to create high converting, amazing lead generation funnels for your dental agency, then this might be the most amazing video that you are looking for. In case you don't know about me, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pritam. I run a Go High Level funnel and website design agency. We build marketing funnels and websites for our client literally across the world. And in case you haven't heard about us or don't know about us, feel free to go to PritamBhadra.com. All the important links are in the description. Just go through it. You will have the option to schedule a free consultation call regarding your business requirements. So, grab that chance and grab a seat with me and see if that's something that we can help you with. In case you're looking for amazing premium templates, then we actually have a template library which is called as GHL template library templateshop.com. Just make sure that you go through it. We are constantly creating new templates so that you can buy from us without have to customize them, right? So that's pretty much it. Let's get started regarding this complete walkthrough video. So we had a client, an amazing client of ours, who reached out to us, and he operates a dental lead generation agency, right? So it's a Go High Level agency, right? They have white labeled the Go High Level version, and they are serving the dental niche literally throughout the US. They were looking for an amazing funnel builder, a designer who understand conversion oriented approach, and they basically approached me in order to build a funnel for their agency, which they could basically use for all their lead generation other agencies, for the dental clinics. So that's basically what we did for them, right? And I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough as to what we did, how we did, and why we did whatever you see here on the screen, right? So again, this is a lead generation funnel, which basically means that our goal is to attract the leads, which is their details, for example, name, email ID, phone number, right? You might also need some more information as to what is their budget, where are they located, what kind of issues they have, so that you can basically create a customer avatar based on the information that was filled by the customer itself. Now, in order to do that, you need to use surveys, which I believe is the most valuable thing here, because it just makes the process very seamless, increases the conversion, and the response is quite quick instead of using a form, because the form will be lengthier, it will be daunting, and people might not have the motivation to go through it. So a survey in these kind of situations where you want more information to create a custom avatar will be proper. Now, when you design a funnel like this, you have to really focus on multiple things just to make sure that you are hitting all the right target points for conversion, right? I'm going to give you an explanation of all that in a minute. Now, just go through the entire page of how it looks. The look and feel also should be very premium, nice, attractive, and basically everything that one is looking for. How do you understand that? The one thing that you need to understand is the pain point that people have in their own life regarding this. So, for example, if somebody is looking for premium dental implants, who exactly are these people? What exactly are their age? What kind of fear that they have in their mind? And what kind of budget opportunities you think that they kind possess? When you understand all those things, you kind of create an empathy map, right? So, in case you guys don't know about empathy mapping is where you create a customer avatar as to who they are, what they feel, how they feel it, right? And all those details about understanding their psychology. So as you can see here, the first things first that we have created, we've added something called as 1,000+ successful dental implants. Because the first thing that we need to create when we're creating lead generation funnel is to build trust, authority, and credibility. Three very important keywords that I always say to my clients, to my, to my students, and to all my viewers is that, hey, you need to build trust, credibility, and authority on the first page itself. I mean, people should not be going down and scrolling to understand as to who you are, what kind of trust, authority, and credibility do you possess, right? For that itself, as you can see, the first thing, which is 1,000+ successful dental implants. Now, when I write something like that just on the top of it, it kinds of hints people that, hey, this is a credible page. What we are doing, we know what we are doing it. So in case you are interested, make sure that you can go through the entire page, the entire content, and all of that stuff, right? And that's what we have done here. 1,000+ successful dental implants, and we also added a dental cute a photo of that, right? Kind of looks very nice. Now, this is what we call as the hero section. Let me quickly make it 100%, right? This is what we call as the hero section. Now, what exactly is a hero section? A hero section has two things. One is all the content that's going to provide people and help people understand who they are. I mean, what exactly is this page for, who they are targeting, what benefits they can get, a call to action button, a trust credibility booster kind of a graphic, and then we also have on the right hand side, which is called as the hero image. The hero image is an image which, when used, people will have subconsciously the understanding as to what the landing page might be for. They might not be sure about it, but they might have an understanding as to what exactly this landing page is. So, if I am not looking for a dental implant and I see a old lady, relatively in their 40s and 50s, smiling with the bright new dental implant teeth and teeth all over the place and all that stuff, I might not resonate because I am a 30-year-old who has perfectly fine teeth and is not looking for a dental implant. But let's say if I am a 55-year-old woman, a lady, a man, whoever I am, right? And if I have that in mind and this kind of ad comes in and I click on it and I have this kind of image, I instantly, right? Let me repeat that. I instantly resonate with it. The moment I resonate with it, I am kind of more interested into going through the entire landing page to discover what it is, how can it help me, and whether they want to proceed forward or not. Makes sense, right? So as you can see here on the left and right, we have the content, right, which is pretty nice. First things first, what we have is the logo itself, right, which is Smile Craft Dental Care. Again, it's a templatized format so that my client can use it for all their agencies or the dental clinic. So this is just template, but yeah, a logo, right, which kind of looks very neat and clean in the white background or a contrasting background is super important because again that helps build trust, credibility, and authority, right? And then we have the kind of main headline, which is Restore Your Smile to Perfection with Premium Dental Implants, right? So we are kind of targeting people who have issues with the dental implants or they want to get a dental implant with the premium ones because we also want to help them understand, hey, these are not the cheap ones. So you better have a significant budget of that purpose as well, right? So with over 1000 five-star reviews and cutting edge implant technology, this again builds the trust and credibility, which we already did here, right? Which kind of, yeah, the main job of a subheadline is always to support the main headline. So since this is the main headline, the subheadline is supporting the main headline, right, as to how we can do it and why they should be trusting us. Then your perfect smile is just one step away. Take our 20-second quiz to see if you qualify. What exactly does that mean? That we are giving them an opportunity to see if they qualify or not, for which they have to click here. As you can see, check your eligibility. When somebody clicks on here, a kind of a survey pops up, and a survey will have a few questions, a few pages, and that's basically how the agency is collecting valuable information to follow up and convert the client, right? So that's something that you have to take care of and you have to keep in mind. Now, as you can see, we have a beautiful gradient effect along with a shine effect to it because it just looks so good. Apart from that, we also have something like this called as trust badges, super important, right? The reason why you should have these kind of trust badges is because people are kind of not sure if everybody else or everyone else have used your services or your implant technology, because nobody wants to put in their $15,000 to somebody who has no reviews, no trust, no credibility, no authority, nothing literally, right? So you want to have a condition where people can see as to the trust, credibility, and authority things on every single step, literally, right? The page should basically scream trust and authority. Now let's go to the right hand side here. As you can see, this is an amazing graphic of a old lady with a perfectly implanted teeth structure. Along with it, right, she's kind of enjoying, happy, and we had to had a photo where we can show her teeth. It's super important, right? So you need to be in a situation and you need to be creating the graphics and photos and all that where you're showcasing the teeth, because at the end of the day, that's what is selling here on the landing page, right? People are not here to see her looks, see how fit she is and all that stuff, because this is not a fitness landing page, right? This is a dental implant landing page, so we have to show the dental implants, which should also resonate that she is very happy with that result. right? Along with that, we have some dental kind of things going on at the graph, which like graphics. I think my team does a great job when it comes to graphics and kind of creating this kind of hero sections. I really like it. And as you can see, the best dental clinic in city, a kind of again a trust badge, over 1,000 plus implants, right? Again, the entire thing here is to build trust and credibility, which we are kind of doing it very well here. Now, when we scroll down, we are kind of giving them a glimpse of how your teeth can be, right? So, for example, when you visit a dental clinic or you kind of see a dental ad, you're probably seeing these kind of photographs where a almost perfect teeth lining is kind of seen, because that is what attracts you and makes you think, okay, I might want to get a dental implant done because I want my teeth to look like this. That's what is called as advertisement. Now we are also trying to grab people attention when they have gone through these all those things, so that they can actually see as to what their teeth might look like. And this honestly is just like showcasing people, hey, this is how your teeth is going to look like. And one reason I've added male and female both, because our target audience is male and female both. So that's the reason why we have added here. We're kind of showcasing people as to how exactly it's going to look like. And that is a master stroke. You should include these kind of photographs, visuals, and graphics in order for people to find encouragement and proceed forward and learn more about the entire landing page, or which is basically your agency page. Now, how do you do this inside high level? Again, we're using a bit of CSS and HTML. So just make sure that in case you do not have it, you can just add some of the CSS and HTML to your landing pages to make it better. But I wouldn't recommend adding too much of it, but a little bit is still fine, right? Now, when you scroll down, you have a significant section called as seen on. Now, I really like it because, for example, if you have a dental clinic, right, and the dental clinic has been recognized, being featured into magazine, newspapers, TV articles, and all that stuff, you definitely, right, you definitely need to add them, because that again helps build trust, credibility, and authority. Because people want to, when people put in the 10-15 thousand dollars, they want to make sure that they are getting it done from the best man or the best clinic possible. And these things actually just help you. So in case if you have it, make sure you add that. So this landing page is like a blueprint for any agency who's looking to build a dental lead generation funnel. So you can literally go ahead and use my proven tested landing pages, right? Now let's scroll down and let's understand as to what the next section is, which is more about what exactly they are going to get when they qualify to be a client, right? So here's what to expect, right? For your free smile restoration package, which is a $600 value, is basically getting it the entire thing for absolutely free. Now, one thing you'll realize that we have added a bit of CSS to it because it just looks so attractive. Right? It's super important that you use and you play with the colors a bit so that you can create your designs much more effective. And this is actually going to be very useful when I show it to you in the mobile mode as well. It kind of looks really nice. As you can see here, we are talking about a free restoration package, which basically means a free consultation showcasing people as to how the teeth can be in case they want to go ahead and choose that. So, for example, we're kind of having using something that is kind of shows that similar environment. You need to show people visually what you're saying textually in terms of copy, right? We've also added a trust batch here called as 20 years experience, for the same fact that we want to build that trust credibility that, hey, when you come here, even though it's free and even though you're giving your $600 of value, but you're getting it from somebody who has over 20 years of experience into this niche, right? So you also list what exactly they're going to get, which is 3D x-ray, digital impression, complete treatment plan, and one-on-one consult with their doctor, because they are not charging anything upfront, because they're going to charge on the dental implant, which is going to cost more than $15,000, which is kind of a very high ticket budget. Again, in case they want to see if they qualify regarding the $600 value package, they have to come here quickly and click on it, and then they have a survey. They're gonna click on all the details of that survey and then go ahead and book a meeting with them, right? Here we basically show them as to what we have done and a real example as to what it was and what it is currently. Again, these kind of sections cannot be designed inside high level just with the high level features. So you kind of have to use a bit of HTML, because that's exactly when you can get this kind of effects of before and after. Hope that makes sense, because this can be game changer, because this is also interactive in the mobile version. So when people kind of see as to what it was and what it is now, it kind of again gives them a boost and a motivation to proceed forward and basically get enrolled into that particular program or particular lead generation offer that you currently have on the landing page, right? So something like this would be very, very useful. So make sure that you kind of have it on your landing page. Same goes for this, as to say different scenarios as to what it was and what it is now. So kind of makes a big, big difference in people taking up. It kind of increases your conversion like anything, right? So find out if you're eligible in 20 seconds. So again, we're giving a timeline because we don't want to make it tedious. So that's exactly the reason why we're giving them a timeline. And then we have that again, same shiny button. You need to make sure that you have these kind of buttons very, very frequently, because it's a lead generation page. You want to attract people's attention the same moment that they are interested in. So a button is important. Apart from that, now we're also showcasing about their years of experience, which is like 1,000 plus successful implants, 5-star glowing reviews, 20 years of combined experience, and cutting edge technological implants. So we're showcasing them. As you can see, the effects here as well looks just stunning, right? Let's go ahead and let them introduce to our doctors as to who they're going to get treatment from or who are going to help them consult. Now here, as you can see, this is a template. So I've created as in a template format. So meet your smile magicians right now. As you can see, the text, the copy is super important, right? So Dr. One name and the Dr. Two name, right? So Dr. One name, lead or orthodontist, 15 years of experience and all that stuff, and a beautiful image, kind of crafted very, very well with the name and with the position and all that, right? So you kind of want people, take photos of doctors and then kind of design it via a designer. Again, as I said, in case you are not sure as to how to build funnels and landing pages for your agency, for your business, for your go high level, just go to pritam.com, schedule a call, and we will help you understand as to how we can help you doing that, because we offer done for you services along with our paid consultation calls. But these are intro calls and these are absolutely free, so grab them when you can. Then we have again another doctor. Again, you can ask as many doctors to build credibility and trust. So feel free to add them. Just make sure that they look professional and not the casual ones that you see on the other websites. So that's something which is going to make you different, right? And then again, we have a call to action. Then we basically show the benefits of dental implant as to what exactly they are going to get and why they should do it, right? What are the benefits of doing it? It's only whitening teeth. So right, so enjoy a beautiful natural looking smile, 99% of your original bite strength, so you can eat your favorite food and vegetables. So they're also focusing on the health aspect to it. It kind of looks very healthy, nice on their face, right? Any kind of pain and discomfort that they used to have will not be there because they are using that implant. So lifetime of confident smile is guaranteed there, right? As you can see here, the photo here also is being shown of a person who already has gone through an implant, and we also show as to how the implant is going to look like, because we are showcasing the benefits of that dental implant. So it's super important that you kind of visually show them what you are writing in terms of copy, content, and pointers, right? Let's go ahead and let's give them as to why they should choose our dental implant in a clinic, agency, and whatever you may want to call it. So, for example, proven results. Now you have to add the results that you've got. Superior material, lower fees. Again, you'll be able to see that we are using kind of a lot of graphics material CSS here, because we just want to make it stand out from the other landing pages designed inside higher level, because that's what we do for a living, right? Fast turnaround time, flexible financing, expertise in complex cases. Again, CSS, custom design graphics, custom design background sections, everything literally designed as per to enhance the look feel of the particular landing page. Let's come down and see, let's see some of the testimonial. Now this is the test review widget of go high level. So I'll just recommend, in case you just connect your Google My Business, and this review widget is going to pull up the reviews inside your high level account, so which is going to be freaking amazing, right? Then we also have some testimonial sections that we have added. Again, these are again only for written testimonials, just customized. And then we have some video testimonial, which is super important, right? So if your agency, if your clinic has some video testimonial, which I always recommend all my clients to provide me when we are creating funnels for them, so always add them. All right. Then we have some FAQ questions because a lot of people might have some question that they're not clear about in terms of timing, in terms of payments, in terms of access, all that stuff. So make sure that you have answered all the questions that you possibly can in order to increase the conversion rate. People will have a lot of questions and they need to be answered so that they can think, okay, this makes sense to me. Let me proceed forward and let me get this stuff done. Right, as you can see, are you ready to restore your smile perfection in 1 day for $10,000 less than other centers? Click here to check the eligibility. Now, we haven't just done this in the desktop mode, but it's also 110% mobile optimized. Let me quickly show you that. Currently, we are using 14 Pro Max. Let's say we are using now 12 Pro Max here. Again, as you can see, the first thing that people can see is 1,000 plus successful dental implants. It instantly builds the authority. Then we have the logo. Then we have the main headline, the sub headline, the buttons, and everything that kind of again builds the credibility. Again, the photo here, right? It's kind of teeth kind of showcases that how exactly it's going to look like when you get an implant from our clinic. As seen on, again, like you can see, everything is 110% more optimized. Now, as I told you, this adds an interactive element, so it is super important because people 110% are going to interact here because they are literally going to see as to what difference you as a clinic were able to make on your previous clients, right? And then again, trust building badges, clients, testimonials, reviews, all of that kind of is there inside the mobile version. Everything just makes so much sense. That's really how you should be designing a perfect lead generation landing page for your dental agency or your dental clinic. Not just that, when somebody submits the survey, the form that you have on the pop up, when somebody clicks in here, they go to the thank you page. Congratulations, you are in. Then again, the logo, congratulations, you are a great candidate for the dental implant. And then again, as you can see here, we have literally added the same graphics here because we want them to proceed forward and call us in the directly, right? We don't want to wait for our staff in order to get those leads and then call back because that's going to take some time, more labor time as well from our end. Rather, we want to encourage people in order to go ahead and call us, right? Since this was a survey to check whether they qualify or not, and now as we're saying that, hey, congratulations, you have been qualified, and now you can get a smile, literally what you see here. Now, what you need to do is to be sure that you can see a doctor, click on this button and schedule a dental implant call with us, right? This is what you need to do in order to build, you know, uh, basically lower the effort of your agency people, increases the inbound call rates. And this is the reason why you should create these kind of offers and not just an opt-in form, rather something that will help them check to see whether they qualify for that $600 value or not, right? And that's basically how you do it. Again, this is 110% mobile optimized, just so that people can see as to what it looks like in the mobile version, because at the end of the day, almost 80 to 90% of the traffic that's coming in, it is via mobile. So make sure that all of these projects that you are currently doing, or when you basically outsources, it's 100% mobile optimized. Now, when you work with us, you don't really have to have those kind of issues because that's what we take care of already, in the best way possible inside high levels. Make sure that you schedule a call just in case you want to get some free consultations. And that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. So just make sure that you watch these videos and you implement them inside your high level account for your agency. We will be bringing up with more tutorials, so make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I will see you soon.